Hi, I'm Spinks. I'm Dogbar. I'm Goslar. I'm Jimmer. I'm Io. I'm Wagon Zuzu. And I'm Ryder. Today, I'm going to show you the short Kung Fu review of Rivet Bloopers. So, Raleigh's first Rivet has a glitch, so it doesn't get fixed. So now it works. Yeah. Raleigh takes 10 scenes on the Rivet Bloopers. And then he cuts it. Yeah. Raleigh has 10 Rivet Bloopers. So, this is how it looks like he's a Rivet Blooper. Yeah, he's a glitchy Rivet. So, enjoy. So yeah, that's the special bloopers with Rivet. Special thanks to RyderRenegade official, Sterling Andrews, Battlelord Zero, another iDog fan 41, and Sepia Lover 214. So thanks for watching for my blooper rivets. Do you mean Rivet bloopers? Oh, I'm sorry. I mean, stay tuned from Rivet bloopers. See you later. Bye.